Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class. 7th class students, we will study lesson number 3, Journey by Night. Journey by Night is a story of bravery of a little boy, Sher Singh, about 12 years old. In this story, we'll study about a small boy, Sher Singh, who is 12 years old. One day, Sher Singh's brother Kuwar falls sick while their father is gone on an expedition. He complains about an acute stomach ache. The family of four has a tragic history of deaths due to cholera and gets really worried. In this, we will study about Sher Singh's brother Kuwar, who is not well, and his complaints about an acute stomach ache. And in his family, they had a history of so many death. Means his brother and sisters died because of cholera and influenza. The mother the mother tries her best, but Kuwar does not get better. He needs to go to the hospital in Kalaghat, which was 80 kilometers away. So the mother was trying her best, but Kuwar was not getting well. So the only option left was that they have to take him to the hospital, which is at Kalaghat and 80 kilometers away. In order to reach Kalaghat, he had to cross a jungle and two rivers. So in between, he has to cross one jungle and two rivers. The jungle was dangerous place. The animals had been really hungry and spared none. So there were many dangerous animals in the jungle who were waiting for the prey to come. On his way, Sher Singh encountered an angry herd of elephants which thankfully went away without consequence. The first river had a bridge and it was easy to get across. However, the second river was flooding, the bridge had submerged. So, in the first river, he was having no problem because of the bridge. He could easily cross that, but in the second river, it was the second river was flooding and the bridge had submerged. Submerged means the bridge had gone down into the water, and Sher Singh's bravery kept on moving forward through the fast moving ice cold water. The water was very cold. Even then, Sher Singh kept on moving. Even in a trance like condition, he kept moving forward, was found by a bullock cart, a truck, which helped him to get to the hospital. His brother lived through the crisis, and the doctor, who was impressed by his bravery, exclaimed that he was now Sher Singh Bahadur, the brave like his father. So the doctors were all impressed by Sher Singh because he was a small boy who brought his brother from 80 kilometers away. So they said that from today we will call you Sher Singh Bahadur, the brave like his father. So from this we understood that we should also try to be as caring and tough as the brave Sher Singh. Thank you.